Hello students, let us start with the coordinate geometry today. So first of all, let us start with the basic concept that this horizontal axis be as x-axis and this vertical axis as y-axis. It has divided the plane in 4 parts. These 4 parts, first, second, third and fourth. So this one is called as, each part is called as quadrant. This is first, second, third and fourth quadrant. Now come to your axis. This is x-axis, means we can mark the point here 1, 2, 3 and so on. Basically this one is 1, 0. 1, 0 means here x coordinate is 1 and on this axis y coordinate is 0. Similarly 2, 2, 0. Now come to your y axis. 1, 2, 3 and so on. So what about this one? This one will be taken as 0, 1. Means x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 1. Then on the left hand side we have to take -1, -2, -3 and so on. Similarly here with the negative sign, and this point is called as origin. Now how to locate the position of a point? Suppose I just have to locate a point whose coordinate are 1, 2. So 1, 2 means I just have to take 1 from this side to this side and their point of intersection will represent 1, 2. So hope you have got how to locate the point. Now come to the concept. How to find out the distance between two points in general form. Let this be x-axis and this as y-axis. Suppose this one is the point and its coordinate we are taking as x1, y1. Let this point as q and take its point as coordinate as x2, y2. So what does p x1, y1 means? Means this coordinate will be x1 and this one will be y1. If I talk about x2, y2, what does it means? This point will be x2 and if we draw perpendicular from here, then this point will be y2. Clear? Now I need to find out the distance between P and Q. So I just have joined P to Q. Now I need to find out this distance. So what about this distance? This distance obviously will be x2 minus x1. What about this distance? This will be, total distance is y2, then this one is y1. So it will give you y2 minus y1. And by using Pythagoras theorem, in this triangle we can find out the distance between P, Q. So in Pythagoras theorem, how? Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So hypotenuse, that will be equal to, yes, that is x2 minus x1 whole square, then y2 minus y1 whole square, and from here square has been transposed on that side, and that will give you the square root, and this is called as the distance formula. By using this we can find out distance between any two points. Now let us start with the exercise 7.1. Here question number 1 is, let me to share the question with you first of all. You have to find out the distance between the pair of points 2, 3, 4, 1, minus 5, 7, minus 1, 3, then AB minus A minus B. So let us start. You are given with the point 2, 3. Let it be as A, 2, 3, and next point they have given as 4, 1. So how you can find out the distance now? Yes, apply the distance formula now. Distance formula is given as x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now what about x2 and x1 here? So this coordinate will be taken as x1, y1. Let us take it as x2, y2. Now just substitute the value and solve it. It is 4 minus 2 whole square plus 1 minus 3 whole square. Yes, 4 minus 2, 2 ka square, then minus 2 square, it will give 4 plus 4, and that is equal to, and root 8, and you can factorize it as 2 into 2 into 2, and you can take 2 out of pair, so it is 2 under root 2. But they haven't mentioned whether it is in centimeter, meter, so simply you can mention here unit. Got it? Then similarly for the next, they have given the point here. Now the point is given as minus 5, 7 and minus 1, 3. x1, y1, x2, y2. Yes, then x2 minus x1 whole square means minus 1, and minus or minus 5 will give you plus 5. 3 minus 7 whole square. Yes, 5 minus 1, 4, and here it is minus 4. 4 square, that will give you 16 plus 16. And one more thing, like here 16 is twice, you can take it out, but it left here 1 plus 1. And what is the square root of 16? Square root of 16 is 4. So you are left with only 4 under root 2. Now mention the unit here. Then come to your next part. Now shift your points, what is given here. Now the coordinate are given as A is given as AB, and B point has the coordinate as minus A minus B. Yes, then how you can find out? Mark here x1, y1, Let this be as x2 and y2. Then x2 minus x1 whole square minus a whole square plus minus b whole square. Yes, minus a that will give you minus 2a square plus minus 2b square minus 2a square whole square will give you 4a square. Then next 4b square, you can take 4 common, so we are left with a square plus b square. Now what is the square root of 4? Square root of 4 is 2. A square plus b square, and just mention the unit here. Yes, now come to your second question. In the second question they have given question number 2, you have to find out the distance between point 0, 0 and 36, 15. Let this point be as A and let this point be as B. Mark their coordinate as x1, y1, x2, y2. Now what will be the distance AB? Distance AB, first of all write down the formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So x2 minus x1 whole square means 36 minus 0 whole square plus 15 minus 0 and its square. So you will left with 36 square plus 15 square. Find out the square of 36 by multiplication and it will be 1296 plus 225. Just add the values and it is 1521. 1521. You can find out the square root. Yes, how to start? Here 3 3s are 9, 6, 21. Just add the values and with 9 means square root of 1521 is 39. The distance between 0, 0 and 36, 15 is 39 units. Now let us start with question number 3. Wait for a while. Yes, your question is determine the point 1, 5, 2, 3, minus 2, minus 11 are collinear or not. So what does the collinear points means? Collinear means the points lies on a line. Means suppose this is the position, but I am not sure which point is in between or which point is at the extreme position, or simply we can show कि AB plus BC is equal to AC, or you can say sum of any two distances is equal to the third one, then only the points are collinear. And moreover, the point when we are writing A, B, B, C, B is common point. When I am writing A, C, then we have to show one common point also. Now let us start. You are given with the point 1, 5. Let it be A, B as 2, 3 and C as -2, -11. Now find out the distance AB. Yes, x2 minus x1 whole square means 2 minus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 5 whole square. Yes, 2 minus 1, 1 square will give you 1 plus 3 minus 5 minus 2 ka square, that will give you 4, means you will get here under root 5. Now find out the distance BC. B and C. So x2 minus x1 means -2 whole square plus -11 -3 and its square. -2 that will give you -4, -11 -3 -14. Just find out their square. It is 16, 196 and it's 212. 212, it can be written as 2 into 2 into, just factorize it, you will get it as 2 under root 53. Then come to your last distance, that is AC. -2 -1 whole square plus -11 -5 whole square. -2 -1 -3 and the square will be 9, -11 -5 -16 and 16 square will be 256. So 256 means plus 9, that will give you 265 and that can be written as 5 into 53. Now check for the distances whether AB plus BC is equal to AC or not. So here AB is under root 5, BC is 2 under root 53 and AC is under root 265. Are they equal? AB plus BC is not equal to AC. What does it mean? Points are collinear or not? A, B, C, it means points are not collinear as the distance is not same. Clear? Now let us start with question number 4. Here is your question number 4. Check whether 5 minus 2, 6, 4, 7 minus 2 are the vertices of isosceles triangle or not. If they are the vertices of isosceles triangle, what does it mean? Two of its sides must be same. To take the point as, let it be A, B as 6, 4 and C as 7 minus 2. Now find out the distance AB. AB will be 6 minus 5 whole square, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 means 4 minus or minus 2. So 6 minus 5. 1 square is 1. 4 plus 2 6. 6 square is 36. So it is under root 37. Now find out the distance BC. x2 minus x1 means 7 minus 6 whole square plus minus 2 minus 4 whole square. 7 minus 6 1 and 1 square is 1. Minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 and minus 6 square will be 36. Now you can observe here two distances are same. If two distances are same, it means ABC triangle is isosceles triangle.